Greetings, I hope you've all had a great week. The purpose of this week's video is really twofold. First thing I'd like to do is visit with you very quickly about some information on our last assignment forum that we've been working on this last week, learners with special abilities and talents. And then second, to lay out for you the work that's remaining to be completed in this course prior to the end of the semester. So first of all then, with respect to this last week's assignment on learners with special abilities and talents, I really need to compliment you on your work together on this assignment. The vast majority of you really put some great detail into your reports, and thus far the replies that I've been able to read have been really pretty much on target. I'll finish reading those replies and get the assignment scored a little later in the week, so make sure you take a look in the feedback tab a little later in the week, because I'll have some written feedback about this assignment, and then also a score for you in the Grade Center, and all of that work will be completed by Friday at the very latest, for sure. Please note that I asked some kind of common questions in your discussion board threads this week, asking you to really think about and compare and contrast what you've read and learned about learners with special abilities and talents and other learners. And so the idea again is that I want to encourage you to think about the specific needs of learners with all kinds of special abilities and talents, and all of the other disabilities and commonalities and dissimilarities in learning that we've been studying throughout this semester, to kind of think about what you would do and what's the same, and how you would handle some of those the learning needs of those students with varying needs, and what you might do differently anyway. So again, feedback on that assignment should be ready a little later this week. Second then, what have we got left to complete this semester? That's probably the main question on everyone's mind. First of all, for graduate students, remember that your graduate lesson plan assignment is due to me by Friday of this week. And then for everyone, your RTI assignment is due on Monday. Please note that specific instructions for the graduate lesson plan assignment and the RTI assignment are included in the buttons that are named for those assignments in Blackboard. The RTI assignment has one other component though too. Please note on the discussion board this next week, I want you to summarize and talk a little bit about what you've learned from the RTI assignment. And so there is a discussion board post that's due this next week, and some replies on that particular assignment. The rationale for that and the reasoning for that is to have you kind of sharpen, if you will, and to put into words some of the information or the most important things you've learned about RTI, and hopefully that process will work well for you. Okay, make sure you again review the rubrics and all of the specifics for the paper assignments, the RTI and the graduate lesson plan assignment, that are again included in those particular buttons. Two other things then that I would like to have you complete by the end of the semester is, first of all, please note that there is one final discussion board assignment where I'm asking you to kind of talk about the most important things you've learned in this course. Really, I found that it's helpful to put into words and to have you think a little bit about the most important things you're taking away from the course. And it's also kind of interesting and I think a good learning experience to read what other people are doing as well. And so that's the intent for that final discussion board assignment that's due this next week. And then finally, please, if you would take just a few moments to fill out the formal course evaluation. The links or the link to that evaluation is provided in the announcement that you'll find immediately below this video announcement anyway. So please, if you would, to fill that out. We really use that information to try to get better at the things that we do, and we do modify our courses based upon the feedback that we receive from semester to semester. So I'm really interested in some ways that we can kind of improve the way we work together. Okay, enough said. Let me close by suggesting to you and stating that I really have appreciated the ability to serve as your instructor during this last semester. It's been certainly my pleasure to work with all of you. As always, Let me know if you have any questions or comments about this course, or if I may be of some assistance to you in further coursework or anything related to your graduate program. Take care, everyone.